Finally getting it down. I think came out a little bit weird, but where did it just go? Damn, here it is. Any name. Came out pretty good. Alright, not too shabby. Any name. Texas. Looking good. That one not so much. Gonna retry it. See? Yep, that's what I'm talking about.
So, I think I finally perfected my keychain license plates. I think I finally got it down. I actually have been, I made a website for them, theminiplates.com. Go check it out. Go put in an order and tell me what's up. I will make any keychain license plate. As you can see here, I got a couple just sample ones up. But I can do any plate, any state. Just send me what you want and I can make it happen. Pretty cool. We got the square style keychains and then the bottle cap opener style keychains. So you can select that 2 for $20. Not too bad, but pretty fun. Yeah, I've been also doing like other keychains. I'll put whatever, just put anything. I've been putting different flags and different little designs on keychains, but it's been pretty fun. Been keeping myself busy. Haven't uploaded in a while. I should have another swap meet video early January next year. But I just wanted to put something out to soothe the YouTube algorithm or whatever. But you know, I don't like to put out bad content, and been keeping busy. So hopefully you enjoy. Go check out my website if you need one of these to match your plate number, or just really anything. You could have names, numbers, whatever. Yeah, put in an order and tell me what's up. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.